Doll site on the doll site on the doll site on the
So it is you.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, everybody? I'm right here with Nigeria number one. You can see NYSC, Nigeria Youth Service Corps.
Yes.
Now, I want you to tell Nigerians how happy you are witnessing this very great festival, whether it being Easter or the Eid al-Fitr, regardless of the religion you practice.
Okay.
Everything happen this very month. So say something.
So I'm happy because I see a lot of people being happy and coming together and they are showing love. And in there right now, I saw some brands sharing gifts and the likes and all. And the situation of the country is hard already. And when we have people that come together and they are happy and sharing stuff, it's okay. And I see that as something that is promoting. I see that as something that is promoting togetherness, Africanness, and the community as well. Yeah.
Okay, anyway, I would like to say you didn't even remember to tell me your name.
Oh. My name is Aziz. Aziz man.
Anyway, Mr. Assis, I would like to ask you another thing,
Okay.
which is, I don't know whether you've experienced people in Nigeria when they have people abroad, they say he has blocked me, he doesn't talk to me, he doesn't want anybody to reach him. I don't know why they're always like that. That's my question first. And the same question, no, but I'm going to twist it the other way around. If you have opportunity to travel, leave your sibling, your family friend here in Lagos or in Nigeria,
Yes.
will you do the same that some of Nigerians used to do? Like once immediately they get there, due to people sending them different account number, they rather decided to block people so they will be unreachable.
Yes.
Would you do same, or why do you also think people are like that?
Okay. You asked the question if I get to say the Western world,
Yeah,
United
travel,
States.
japa.
Yes. If I chakba, will I stop picking people's call? Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I
I
would
think
like you to first answer this now.
the reason why I feel okay. Say people that stop to pick calls like when they get to the United States, for instance. Now I feel like the people here in Nigeria, they feel like people over there, they are celebrities, they are just making money without working, like they're actually working the same way we are working here, and they are working over there. So like if I'm there, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not going to give you my hard-earned money if I feel like you're just calling because you want me to give you money because I'm there. I'll give you money probably because you want to do something good for yourself, for just that reason, but not like consistently asking me for money because like I think the problem they have is that because we are there, let's say because people are there in the United States, just for the fact that you are there, that's the reason why you're asking me money. No, I don't, I won't give you my money. I'm not going to give you. But if you're asking me because okay, you need to run some things, and if it's becoming like consistent, like 3 4 5 times, I'm going to stop picking your calls. And I feel that's the reason why people that go there stop picking calls too as well. Yes.
Why do you think things like that happen? Is it because of the lack of empowerment? A lot of people depend. A lot of people depend. See, is it because a lot of people are not empowered to be self-sufficient? That's why they depend on whoever they have there to be sending them money. Is that's what I think? What do you think that causes that?
Nigerian men are weak. They are weak mentally, and that's the problem with Nigerians. When you begin to build yourself, your mental strength, then you know that persistence. You just have to focus on a skill. You have to focus on something, and when you focus on that thing and you wait and you're patient and you're consistent enough, you're going to begin to make money. And that's what I did. When people have low mental strength, then they begin to depend on other people to get money from them. And when that becomes an habit, then they stop working. And when they stop working, they start asking people for money and over and over again. But when you have a mental strength that okay, this is going to like if you have a mental strength that okay, I want to set out this goal. I know it's going to be hard, but I'm going to be persistent. You know, telling yourself that um this is what it takes to become self-made. This is what it takes to become an entrepreneur or like whatever goals you have. This is what it takes. You have to put in what it takes. Everybody pay the price. Anybody getting to the United States or getting to Russia, get like any African man getting to all these Western places, they pay the price. You can't just find them there like that. They all pay the price. So why don't you want to pay the price by working? So I believe that it's a mental strength, like a mental problem. If you have a mental strength, you can scale through basically, and that's what I think.
On that note, I would like to say that this is one of the best or great youth that we need in this country, Nigeria. This man has spoken well. Is a kind of he has given a kind of example that we need youth, the kind of brain we expected you to have. On that note, I would like to ask him one more thing, which is, who is your favorite celebrity? I want you to tell me your favorite celebrity and say what makes you choose that person or like that person,
Okay.
and give that person a word of advice that as you are, a lot of people look up to him as a role model, and he should not relent for doing what he knows how to do better. Okay.
All right. So my role model basically is Jordan Peterson. Is a clinical psychologist, a Canadian-based psychologist, and if you want to go into like trying to change your lifestyle and all, I think you should read his book, 12 Rules for Life. It's really going to help you because this helped me in 2020. It helps me to change my habits, change my mood, and change the way I think about stuff, basically. Yeah.